Hey guys, my name is Kylie. I just had to hop on quickly and give my honest review on my Crock-Pot Slow Cooker. So I have had this for about 10 years now and it has held up great. This is super durable and easy to use product. So I use it 2 to 3 times a week because it's super convenient. So what I do is I throw in a bunch of stuff in here, seasonings, meat, beans, whatever you're cooking, and put it on low for about 8 hours, and by dinner time you have a whole meal for your family. So really convenient. I love this beautiful glass lid and the inside porcelain here, super easy to clean and comes out. Love that it has handles in case you're taking it to a potluck or something like that. Also has the low, high, and then the keep warm function. So this thing is awesome. I couldn't recommend it more. Really affordable option as well.